Small projects generally call for smaller crews, but with the right staging and equipment, we can get a lot done in a little bit of time. We're going to take the hard out of hardscaping using Pave Tool's lineup of vacuum handling equipment. We're starting with the Vacuum Mobile All-Rounder. It's narrow, it fits through that 40-inch opening in our fence post, and with a wide variety of heads and clamps, we can lay nearly anything, including these Paver slabs, so this lower landing is laid in a matter of minutes. But that type of equipment isn't always ideal for every project. So a great alternative is the VacMax backpack, also by Pave Tool. Has a wide variety of different heads for different size material. For these larger slabs, we can also use a two-man lifter called the Ergo XL. It'll handle these Para 500, 750 extra large scale slabs with great ease. Are you ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.